In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fix pixelated images in Photoshop. First of all, select your image, then right click on it and convert it to rasterized layer. Now what we need to do, press Ctrl or Command J on your keyboard to create a duplicate layer like this, and then we need to go to filter and under it go to others, and from here we need to add a high pass filter like so, and on this window we need to change the radius to around 7 or 6.8, and you need to make sure that the preview looks like this and then click on OK. Now we need to change the blend mode for this duplicated layer. For that, select your duplicated layer, then change the blend mode to linear light like this, and then we need to make 4 copies of this duplicated layer. For that, select the layer and then hit Ctrl or Command J 4 times on your keyboard like this, 3, 4, and now I have created 4 copies here. We need to select the first layer and then hold Ctrl key on your keyboard and select all of the layers like this, then right click on them and select merge layers. Now change the blend mode to linear light once again, and you can see the sharpness is way too much, so to decrease it we need to select the duplicated layer, then change the opacity to something like this, and now you can see the difference here. So this is the process. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.